Welcome to Mountain Man Fungi. The microbial life of an ecosystem largely and directly impacts the health and wellness of the entire ecosystem. Take us humans, for example. Our gut microbiome is a direct influence on the serotonin that's produced in our body and our innate immune function. Now, even though there's a bunch of different types of fungi within a microbiome, mushrooms play a particularly important role. Mushrooms predispose an ecosystem to beneficial microbiota to any particular ecosystem with the very health and wellness of that ecosystem in mind. Thank you very much.